how to recover deleted Telegram groups. So if you want to recover your deleted Telegram groups, then what you need to do is first, you just need simply open up your Telegram application. Now, after opening your Telegram, you need to go and select a group. Like, for example, I'll just simply go and leave this channel. Just simply tap on it, go with the three dots, and then you may have a leave option, or just simply select the channel, go with the three dots, which will be in the top right, and tap on leave. Now, after leaving, here on the bottom, as you can see that you will have an undo option. You need to tap on undo, and it will recover. But unfortunately, if you have missed the undo option, which will be on the bottom, then what you need to do is just wait for a few seconds, and then you need to go with search again, which will be in the top, and now you need to search for the channel again, or search for the group. After searching, you'll find the channel or the group. Now you need to go with join, which will be in the bottom, and you've been joined again. Just refresh, and that's it. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.